The usually quiet community of Barracks, Manchonil, Portland, are still in disbelief following the murder of a couple at their home on Wednesday. According to police reports, residents heard explosions hours past midnight and summoned the police. Upon their arrival, 59-year-old Linva Lindsay, otherwise called Natty Cowhead, was found lying on a roadway near his house with gunshot wounds. His 59-year-old wife, Annette Lindsay, otherwise called Plummy, was found inside their house with multiple chop wounds. Latoya Allen says she spoke with her mom just last week, adding that it was her aunt living abroad who broke the heart-wrenching news to her Wednesday morning. She describes her mother as a jovial person who didn't create enemies along the way.
She's always a nice spirit.
How would you describe her?
She's jovial. She expresses herself a lot, but for the most part she's jovial. She has no enemies. He does, but she doesn't. She was chopped in her face.
Multiple times?
Something that she doesn't deserve at all.
Linva Lindsay's older sister, who hasn't seen him in over a year, is completely shaken up by her brother's death.
I had two brothers. He followed me. He's the only one that really visit me, spend all 2-3 months with me. And when he's around, everybody love him. Everybody love him. Him give with joke and all of that, you know. He's a very jovial person. I wasn't expecting this.
Mayor of Port Antonio and councillor for the Manchonil division, Paul Thompson, also speaks about the couple.
I think he was taken to court on several occasions, but I don't know. He's always up and about in the area. Oh, the wife is such a nice lady. Her name is Plummy. Very jovial, always dancing, always smiling. Somebody that you have to love her.
Commanding officer for the Portland Police Division, Superintendent Dwayne Wellington, tells CVM Live the police are following leads and have interviewed 3 persons of interest so far. He says the couple's murder brings the number of murders in Portland since the start of 2021 to 5. Aladdin Love for CVM Live.